Thinking of grabbing a rare Labubu figure from cultneo.com? Before you hit that buy now button, let's dig into what we found because not everything is as cute as it looks. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Cult Neo claims to offer limited edition Labubu collectibles with flashy product images and tempting availability. But while the site looks legit at first glance, it's what's missing that matters. No verified reviews on Trustpilot or major toy communities. Reddit red flags, multiple users are expressing concern. One writes, I ordered and now I'm freaking out. If it was a scam, wouldn't there be more proof? Another warns beware of Cult Neo scam on a full Reddit thread urging collectors to avoid the site altogether. And also, the site has limited contact info, no social proof, and vague return or refund policies, classic signs of a potential dropship scam or counterfeit operation. If you're eyeing Cult Neo for your next Labubu collectible, here's the truth. The risk outweighs the reward. With multiple unverified concerns, no reputation in the collectible community, and warning signs piling up, it's smart to hold off or buy from trusted retailers instead. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.